Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's February 9, 2026. A family is urgently pleading for emergency US visas as their daughter remains critically injured in a California hospital, highlighting the human cost of immigration delays. Rakhi Israni's campaign fundraising surged, with her team reporting over $1 million raised on the first day, signaling strong early momentum. India's Budget 2026 signals a pivot toward healthcare innovation and global competitiveness, with increased focus on research, startups and next-gen medical technologies. Recent US-India tariff cuts have been welcomed, but experts say key uncertainties remain around implementation, sectoral impact, and long-term trade balance. The US and India have agreed on a framework for an interim trade deal, seen as a stepping stone toward a broader comprehensive agreement. India's Budget 2026 places special emphasis on NRIs, boosting investment avenues, simplifying tax compliance, and encouraging global capital inflows. Ride-hailing giant Uber has elevated Balaji Krishnamurthy to Chief Financial Officer, marking a key leadership move amid global expansion efforts. The University of Vermont has appointed Vikas Anand as its new business school dean, underscoring growing Indian origin leadership in US academia. Indian origin jurist Kalyan Deshpande has taken over as chief judge of the PTAB, a major milestone in the US intellectual property system. As GLP-1 weight loss drugs gain popularity, restaurant chains are rolling out menu changes and portion options to support evolving consumer habits. An opinion piece warns that symbolic gestures won't fix deep-rooted issues in Minneapolis, calling for structural solutions over superficial responses. India has warned of grave consequences for Pakistan following continued attacks in Balochistan, escalating regional tensions. The Dalai Lama has won his first Grammy, a cultural milestone that has reportedly drawn predictable unease from China. A new book review of Let My Country Awake reflects on India's democratic ideals, leadership challenges, and the moral compass of governance. At day one of the T20 World Cup 2026, tight bowling and dot balls, not big hits, set the tone for a tactical opening. Once dismissed, USA cricket is earning new respect, with improved performances showing the sport's serious growth on American soil. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.